Well, going on, so the video is going to be on what I myself at first thought was on the JCF police, but it wasn't. I found out that it was the municipal police, and this is what someone tweeted. The municipal police are not members of the Jamaica Constable Force. Municipal police are responsible to the respective municipalities across the island. I know the JCF is everybody beating stick, but the video going around is not a member of at Jamaican Constable. Right, so I'm going to show the video. I'm going to also put up where VYBZ Kartel, SKATTA Barrel, and Cecile had to say when they saw the video.
This is going to Linstead, boy. Can't afford everything on my shop. So road set, that's it.
So after the video went viral, this is what Norman Scott, the mayor of Spanish Town, had to say via his Facebook. Notice to the public. Today, a very unfortunate event occurred in Linstead, St. Catherine, where some municipal police officers were caught on video demolishing a vendor's cart, and it's now being circulated on social media. Please be assured that as the mayor of Spanish Town and chairman of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, I have already requested from the team of officers a detailed report of what occurred and also invite the vendors to meet with me at the earliest possible time. I assure the public that this matter will be looked into thoroughly, and I crave your patience as we go through the investigation procedures to get to the bottom of what transpired. His Worship the Mayor, Councillor Norman Scott. The only thing you learn from this, I don't know, so when you address the mayor, you say he's the mayor because a male for female, probably what her worship, his word, I swear, his worship, of all the words, worship. Anyway, so the video in its entirety, watch the video more than once. And the municipal police, him never have to go so hard. I mean, him take the sledgehammer and him shell down the car to absolutely nothing. From the food and everything when him over it, him lick it over. And when he couldn't mash it no more, him still a mashed up. Already in our look at hard days, hard times, and I saw people make them look at earnings. Jamaica just open up back. Them just move the curfew from 6 and put it up to 10 o'clock. And people have mouth for feed. So him never have to deal with it like that. If him feel like, say, alright, a little rule get broke. Worse as a little old elder man cat, I could have just, you know, put him to the side. Get a tape the cart off or whatever, but him never have to mash up like that. But hey, they're on a proving thing or whatnot. So I could so book him out.